I offer a free service where we go around selecting fascinating businesses, hobbies, and other interests that may be unknown to the world. Our goal is simple: to help you gain the exposure you deserve. You randomly select individuals and businesses, understand their nature, and then create a small promotional video. These videos capture the essence of what makes your venture special and showcase it to the world. And the best part, it's all for free. We upload it on YouTube and all other social media platforms, including TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Instantly promoting your venture to millions of people. YouTube is an incredible platform that provides global reach, ensuring your business or hobby gets the attention it deserves. Whether you're a small local business, a hidden gem in a niche market, or even have an idea that can help others. If you're ready to let the world know you exist, then get on my list now. It's really simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on a few of my videos saying something positive and that you want in. Then share any of my videos on your own social media and tag me in it so I can see when it's done. Just remember, it only takes one click to subscribe to me, while it takes me hours to direct, film, edit, and promote. If you think it's worth it, then let's do this together, letting the world know you exist.